Hey Barry, just looking at your file. I was actually kind of trying a few things with it. I do think maybe adding in a little bit more of the blue would be good, because I think the text, the white text on the blue, I kind of like that for the flaps. I did try this on the back cover, not totally in love with it by any means. I don't think it really looks that great. But I would like to see maybe more bricks on the back cover, like you have on the front cover. That might mean that you'd have to make this more narrow to make it fit. But, and then making these the same size. They're not the same size, but if you can get the size right here and then just apply it to the other one and push return to get it to change the size of the image. I did actually move this down, and then I just copy pasted the same image and flipped it vertically, and then I just stacked it on top just to see what it would look like moved away from that, because it was too close. His ear was getting chopped off. I did notice with your links that you're missing a lot of things. I'm not sure how you got these in here, but this one looks low res. It's pixelated at the size. This one's not showing up, and neither is this one. I don't even know if this is showing up. Oh, yeah, but it is. So everything that is actually in there is CMYK, as far as I can tell. But and the effective PPI looks good, but the rest of these I am not sure, so that will affect your grade. But other than that, like, I think this looks pretty good. I definitely think this is too close, and it's easy enough to fix, even within InDesign, by copy pasting and flipping it vertically and lining it up. And then yeah, this is just, that's low res. So this image of this author, maybe even moving these up. I don't know if they align. They probably should align. Where's the alignment? Why is it not working? We can go to Window, Object, Align, and then align the top edges if they're not already, which I think maybe they were. And maybe move them up a little bit. I just did something to change that to like Comic Sans. Sorry. Anyway, so maybe something a little closer to that, and some issues with the images, but other than that, I think it looks pretty good. I'll talk to you later.